Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. Hi, how are you? Long time no see. How is everybody? Hope you guys have an amazing summer vacation. Summer. This is just a small garden update. I haven't done one in a long time, so I'll flip you around and I'll see you on the next one. Getting so big. Sorry, AC is working. The deal. Cucumbers, horseradish. And our beautiful flowers in the top. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Have an amazing day.